In this Java tutorial, we will talk about file operations. We will learn how to create a text file with Java. We will use the file class for file operations. The file package is automatically imported. I am creating an object from the file class. There is a constructor in the file class. I will set the path to this constructor where I will create the text file. I will create a text file in the project file. I can access the path of the project file in this way. I will create a text file named TurtleCode. I can use the createNewFile method. There are two methods to use this method. The first is to create a signature. But instead of this method, I will use try and catch blocks. When I run the application, a text file named TurtleCode will be created. The text file is created. Even if I run the application again, I don't get an error. I will delete the file and create it again. The createNewFile method returns true if the file hasn't been created yet, and false if it is already exists. We can test this by using the println method. Since the file already exists, it returned false. I will delete the file and recreate it. It returned true because the file hasn't been created yet. When I run it again, it will return false because the file already exists. I will code an if block. If the file doesn't exist, the message file created will be printed to the console. If the file exists, the message file already exists will be printed to the console. I run the program while the file already exists. I delete the file and run the program again. The program works as I want. In this video, we'll learn how to create a text file in Java. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.